I'm so excited to see you guys. I have missed being around a lot of you. I know a lot of us are out at testing. Miss, I was out last week. Miss Beasley's out this week, and many of you are out getting all of your tests done. But man, I sure enjoyed seeing those of you that were at Gulf Shores last week. It was awesome in person, and I am looking forward to seeing some more of you next week in Prattville. Well, guys, because we're all out at testing, things are going a little different than normal. So I thought I would just send you a quick recording and kind of explain how things are going to be taking place in the next few weeks with history. During the weeks that Miss Beasley is not here to do your classes, I will be adding an extra lesson into your OLS. So for instance, this week she will not be here. So you will see when you open up your OLS, you will see two activities that you need to do on Wednesday and Friday. You will have two lessons this week that will pop up in your OLS, and each of those lessons will have two activities because you won't be having class. All right. I know last week in your OLS you only had one lesson, but this week we will be back to having our two lessons. Many of you have already sent in your fourth quarter work sample on time, like they were required, and we are going through those now and working on getting those graded. Mrs. Beasley is working really hard at getting those done. It does take a while because there's a lot of videos to watch, and they are amazing. You did a fantastic job participating in those. So just give us some time to continue going through those and getting those grades posted for you. If you have any questions, I will be in the office this week, so I will be getting to those emails and answering them. In fact, this afternoon, I'm going to spend some time going through and trying to get back to those of you that emailed me last week. All right. So I hope you guys have a great day. And if you have any questions about history, just send me an email. See you later, alligators. After all, crocodiles. Bye.